Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this video is on a wonderful SCADA software by Siemens Automation. The video is just on basic animation properties we can put on an object by direct tagging or by using VB script. I've already prepared the demo to shorten the length of the video. So let me show you what I've done so far. So this is the page prepared with some internal tags and also the PLC tag. And I've written the logic in the PLC, some scripting, some background scripting in the development part. Okay, wait, let me show you. Okay, prepared. So already made some taggings, internal taggings in the SCADA. Some big, some float, some integers. Similarly with the PLC. Okay, these are all the tags. Are the tags from DB1 from DB1 PLC. Okay, some bit logics have been too. So something I've done with just the indication and scripting what we can do with Wincc Explorer. This is a momentary button. You can use button object from Windows object. You can name something button. Okay, the properties you can give from object properties. I've already done this. So let me show you this. So for the momentary part, I've just used direct connection. Okay, I've moved one. I'll press left. I've moved one to the tag, and I'll release. I've moved 0 to the tag. Okay, and bit 1 I've used here for the indication. Bit 1. Okay, it will turn red and the tag turns to 1. The tag is high. Okay, this is a runtime. Click until I press. Okay, the color changes. When I release the mouse, okay, turn back to white. Turns back to white. Okay, you can just normal direct tagging. Okay, for the maintain a toggle tag, I've written in a script. Okay, with okay, you can see the script here. Okay, this is a dimension I prepared. Tag 1. I have linked the bit 2 tag to the dimension tag 1. I've read the current value, and this is just a short scripting. If tag 1 is 0, okay, then change it to 1. Else, if the tag 1 is not 0, other than 0, change it to 0. Okay, if you go here in the runtime, you press okay toggle or you press. Okay, let me show you what tag it holds. Bit 2. Okay, you can see it here also. If I toggle, if I go here in the tag section, you can see the bit 2 is 0 1, bit 2 is 0, and toggle back, bit 2 is 1. Okay, okay, this is the integer part. Okay, for the integer part I've assigned the integer directly. Okay, the tag directly. This one is also the internal tag. Okay, the tag directly, this one and this one, but for this one I've not used any tag. just to, oh, I've not used any tag. Okay, just to this one is just to indicate whether you want to show in the SCADA or not sure, just for the visual purpose, and you don't want it to be linked with or interlocked with any other process or something. Just need to show, or you don't need to log the data anywhere. You can use the script. So if you go here, if you come here, I've prepared two dimensions. Okay, dimension tag 1 is linked to integer 1, tag 2 is linked to integer 2, and I have read the current value, and the output trigger I've written. Let me change it to plus. Okay, let me check the syntax. Okay, okay. So tag 1 plus tag 2. Uh, this IO field will show the value from tag 1 and tag 2. Let me save here. Let me change the screen to reflect the changes. If I change to 5, let's say 5 plus 0 is 5. Let me change this to 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Let's say 11. 16 plus 11 is 27. Okay, let me change this sign again to multiplication. Okay, so let's say multiplication, you it is noted by star. Check, no error. Okay, let me save. Let me change the screen to reflect the changes. Okay, 11 into 16 is 176. Let me put some small value. Okay, it's 15. This is just for indication part. Okay, now similar tag I've used in the PLC. Okay, if you come here, if you see this database. Okay, okay, this one toggle button, same scripting but with the PLC tags. Okay, if you change to 1, let me go to change this online. Okay, when I trigger the PLC 1, toggle the PLC 1, bit 1, bit 2 is toggled. Okay, you can save. Okay, for this one I've written a script. Okay, with two different bits. You can change color to an object, different color. You can change different color to a single object with multiple different bits. Okay, let me show you uh, what scripting I've done so far. Okay, so this is the script. Before the script, let me show you something. If you go here, you can see there are few numbers shown here. Okay, these are the RGB format, color format. For red, you can see the red. For red, the first part is 255. The green one is 0. The blue one is 0. For yellow, 255 250. For green, 0 255 0, and for blue, 0 0 255. Okay, this is one method. Uh, you can assign color to a property or to an object. Another part is this one, HTML code. Okay, you can see 0000FF. Okay, for red it is FF0000, but this is in the hex format. Okay, I'll come to this later. Okay, so let me show you the scripting I've done. Okay, tag 1. So this one is bit 5. This one is bit 6. Okay, let me show you too. This is the toggle button I've done. Prepared with PLC bit 5. This one is with PLC bit 6. Okay, then in the object when you go, okay, bit 5 and bit 6 I've assigned to tag 1, tag 2. I read the current value, and if tag 1 is 1 and tag 2 is 0, then I've assigned color red. Okay, 25500. This is the syntax for background color. You can see it is also mentioned there. Okay, background trigger is equals to RGB color format 25500. Okay, else if tag 1 is 0 and tag 2 is 1, then the object should show green, and if both are 1, the object should show blue. But what I've done is I have written some decimal values. Okay, so from where does this decimal value count? Okay, uh, if you click go here, okay, for the blue you can see 0000 FF. When you open your calculator, you go to program error section. In the hex part, if you type 0000 FF, it will show just 255. What actually the issue with this is you have to write it in the from means this part should be first in the calculator, then followed by the other means uh, it should be written in inverse direction. Okay, in the set of two. So if you write 00 or FF0000 like this, so you can see there's a number here, decimal number, which I've shown here, 16711,680, which is blue. Okay, let me you can see. Okay, same number. Let me just run this in time. Okay, first color it's red. Okay, second color is green. Okay, and when I switch both, it's blue. Okay, one more example I'll show here with this object. Okay, so here the different colors have shown already. Orange 255 160 10. Okay, here if you see orange 255 160 10. Yes, for yellow 255 250. For pink you can see 16711,930. Where does this come? Where does this come from? If you click here, so you can see FA00FF. For FA00, so for FA00FF, if you type here hex FA00FF, whatever the number shown here, if you see match from here, 16711,930, and this one is something different, 935. But if you type it, sorry, something different. Sorry, FA00FF. Okay, for pink. When you come here, when you match this, doesn't match. Okay, this one is something else. This one is something else. If you write it from backward, okay, I've already mentioned here. Okay, if you write it from backward, means FF00FA. You can see here 16711,930. Yeah. Okay, it matches. And if you go to runtime, okay, so I prepared a dint uh, tag in the PLC. If the tag is having 1, it will show orange. If the tag is having 2, it will show yellow. If tag is having something else other than 1 or 2, it will show pink. Okay, so if I type 1, it shows orange. If I type 2, it shows yellow. If I type 3 or something anything else, it will show pink. Okay, now this is okay, similar thing I've done with uh, dynamic dialogues. Okay, come here, dynamic dialog. You have mentioned again. I have mentioned an integer from PLC, and with the different number I put here, it will change the color. Okay, the object will change the color. Same with different number I put here. Okay, dynamic dialog string. Okay, I can just move string to this higher field. Okay, if you go to runtime, change 1, shows red, I change 2, it shows green, I change 3, it shows blue, and so on. And the last part is the animation, circular animation of an object. Okay, It's the rotation of a fan. You can show this object. I got from SVG library, industrial graphics, somewhere in the motor section here. Okay, you can just drag here. Okay, let me show you first what I've done. If you toggle the bit, you can see the animation. When I stop, okay, this I've done with just one object. Let me come to the object properties in the prop the property section. This one, this button is having a tag called bit 7. Okay, PLC bit 7. Let's assume this as motor start feedback. Okay, so what properties I've given in, there are three things you have to do with the property. Okay, first thing, okay, first thing, this one is actually percentage. You, whatever value, whatever the width or height is there, okay, it is, this reference takes as a percentage actually. Okay. If I change size of the object, okay, then you don't need to change. This one will be act as a percentage. What percentage means? This will, to uh, consider the center of this object. Okay, the center of the object. We have to rotate the object from. Okay, considering the center. Okay, so the center of the object, let's say it's 270, so 50% of 270, whatever it will be the center of the object. Okay, 50%, 50%. If I save this, okay, I change the window, I toggle, okay, same animation goes by. Okay, so remember, you have to put 50 here, 50 here. Both means from x-axis it will is considered center, from y-axis it will consider center, and then it will rotate to an angle. Okay, so I have given two tags here. One, there's an rotation animation tag, and one is the motor start tag. Okay, there's a multiplication sign I've mentioned here. So for the rotation animation tag, what there's script you have to write here. First, let me show you where this tag I've used. It's in the internal tag. You have to just create it once, and you can link it with any of the motor running tag. Okay, and it will don't need to create it multiple times. Just create one, and you just need to change this tag. Okay, for the animation. So what is the script I have written? I will show you. Just have to go here in the global script, then in the VB script. There, just double click on the VB script, and there are different sections. In the action section, there are different sections. In the action section, you have to just create a new action, and there you just need to write this code. Okay, if I assign the rotation animation tag, this rotation animation tag, okay, this is just integer tag. To tag 1, I've read the current value. Okay. Then if tag 1 is greater than or equal to 360, then just means move the value 45 and write the value in the tag. Else, if it is not greater than or equal to 360, okay, just add 45 to the same tag. Yes, and again write the value to the tag. This is the script, and you have to assign here trigger. Okay, so this is what's time based trigger, cyclic trigger. Just right click and add, and standard cycle, make it 250 millisecond on. You can write anything, let's say cyclic. Okay, I've already prepared this one. Okay, here. Okay, you see cyclic 250 millisecond. And remember, whenever you create a new uh, script, you need to rerun the runtime. Okay, you have to shut down the runtime, then run it again to get this script into action. So what this does is just increase every time it increases every 250 millisecond it changes, which is adds a value 45 to the rotation animation tag. Okay, you can see it here. And same, what you do, you just multiply rotation animation tag with bit the motor feedback status or motor start status. It just give you 0 or 1. You multiply, if it is 0 and you multiply it with whatever animation, whatever values there in this tag, it will always be 0. Okay, and if you multiply it 1, it will be always whatever the means. If the rotation animation is having value, let's say 90, it, into 1 is 90 only. So you go here, you toggle, and you can see the animation with one object. Okay. That's it for today. uh, okay, feel free to put any question in the comment, and I will try definitely try my best to cover it in another video. There are many other PLC and SCADA brand videos will be coming up in the future. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.